Oh yeah. I suppose it goes without saying, but if you don't never heard it before, you're never what you think you are. You're what everyone else does. You know, and that's the truth. Like, that's how you're perceived is how you're taken. So you can be whatever you think you are, but it's what everyone else thinks you are is what counts. Yeah. I see a lot of this mantra a lot in these kind of like things that they try. I don't know if it's whatever. It's always take your own decisions, do your own thing. You know, you have the greatest. You know, fucking bullshit. You know, you've got to do what the crowd's doing. You do. Like, we're all here, and we're all being affected by decisions that are made. You can't just go off, like, you know, and do your own thing in the corner and think it's going to work for you. No. Unless you're me, because I'm different. Because I'm amazing. But, the Ulster Fleadh's on at the moment, looking to more. County Tyrone. And this song's written by a man from Tyrone too, called Macahatan. He was from Mayo. 11's Glen there lives a man, some say he's a god. He could cure your shakes with a bottle of his Poitín. It'd cost you 30 bob. Come winter, spring, summer, fall, shaggers sing in the breeze. And in the dead of night a man steps out, Macahatan, what you please. Oh, Macahatan, you blush, we need you, got a million shaking men. Where are your sexy body, will your lights be seen again? Here's a jig to the jump and a sing to the jump and a link to the girl you love. Mayor, fill, play your Poitín, hear your company up above. It's just to the smoke and the south of the glen, the pitching's in the air. Birds in the burrows, the rabbits in the sky, and there's drunkards everywhere. Out at Skerry's Rock, the rabbits are bound, by God they're chasing the hounds. And the only thing in decent shape is buried beneath the ground. Oh, Macahatan, you blush, we need you, with a million shaking men. Where are your sexy body, will your legs be seen again? Here's a swing to the bump and a swing to the bump and a wink to the girl you love. May you fill, play your Poitín, cure your company up above. At Macahatan's house the fairies are out, and they're dancing on the hobs. Fucking goats collapsed, and the dogs run away, and there's salmon down the bogs. He has a million gallons to wash, and the peelers are out in the glen. But they'll never catch Macahatan, he's never coming home again. Oh, Macahatan, you blush, we need you, try the million shaking men. I sexy body, real lights be seen again. Jig's the man, real to the drop and a swing to the girl you love. May feel, play Poitín, your company up above. Macahatan, you blush, we need you, crowd a million shaking men. sexy body, will your lips be seen again? Here's a drink to the man and a reel to the duck and a swing to the birdie. Love, may you feel play, patching courier company up above. Come on, what's that? I could hear it calling in the air tonight. Everybody, Robbie. And to all. Now, good luck in that match in the morning. There was no one down the old triangle last week, and it's probably just as well because I said some interesting things about the fair people of Coillte Mach, you know, but I suppose I'm going to say it now again because I think it's still fair. Like, you know, I remember Dublin City when it was like fucking Castlebar Street was like a derelict halting site. Like it was like, I mean, it was just like there was all those red bricks that are there now. That was nothing. That was just old Georgian houses with trees growing out and with junkies sitting in them. You know, and you just get these smart asses talking about people. Oh, yeah, there is a problem, but people going on about third world countries and all this rubbish. Fuck 'em. My eye. You know? You know? Ring a ring a rosy as the light declined, I remembered of